We have made it to Lindenhof Hill. Now, this hill has a long history. There used to be a fort here, a Roman fort. Yes, Zurich is that old. They have found remains that show that civilization has lived here for over 6,400 years. Now, after the Romans left, there became a medieval castle that was here at one point. Now, the remnants of both of them have long gone, but I'm about to show you the strategic importance for both. And when you look at this picture, a lot of these houses not even there. And the view that you'll have and why this hill was so strategically important for the Romans and during the medieval times for them to have a fort and a castle here. An interesting fact about Zurich, there's 1,200 fountains that are public, like this one, where you can get water from them for free. Even the birds love it. And the water is cleaner and better for you than probably any bottled water that you ever get. So fresh from the tap. It comes from Lake Zurich, which is fed from the Alps. And that water is just so clear. So nice. It's nice. There's one thing about Europe. You'll find a lot of them that have public fountains that have just pure, clear, and wonderfully tasting water. I really love the architecture here. The city is so old. It is the oldest city in Switzerland, and you can just tell. I love the vibe. It feels so much older than Paris, but a lot of hills. So one thing I hate about Europe is there's hills everywhere. It's like San Francisco all over again. Another cool thing about Zurich is it has the world's largest clock face on a clock tower. It is 8.4 meters wide, so about 26 feet in diameter. But it's at the St. Peter's Church. So it's huge. Another stop to make out when you come here to Zurich is Lake Zurich. And if you get a day travel pass, it works for the ferry here as well as the cable cars and the train. That's not bad. 920 Swiss francs. So that's about a 20% add to a US dollar. So about $1.20 is 1 franc. Now, while we're talking about francs, let me be frank. If you're coming in from the airport, you want to come in the city center, you want to take the train. The train ride is $9 a person, or 9 francs a person, whereas a Uber is about 35. And if you take a taxi from the airport, it will cost you 68 francs, so about $74. So take the train. And if you stay at the hotel I'm staying at, the Ruby Mimi Hotel, the train station is literally like 100 feet from it, so you can take it and you can go right to the hotel. The Bahnhofstrasse is the next place to come check out when you're in Zurich. It is like Rodeo Drive or Fifth Avenue. It's where all the luxury shopping's at. Those trams, they go from the train station down to the river and through town. But if you wanted to hop on one at the train station and not walk, it'll come right down the main strip and it'll take you right to the lake.